Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the corridor. Conduct a detailed survey, stake the center line, and confirm permitted alignment. Once done, clear vegetation and mark utility zones so excavation avoids surprises. You should calculate required ballast depth and sleeper spacing based on expected axle loads. This determines initial ordering. Make sure to secure all permits and environmental approvals before heavy equipment arrives, because delay here stops construction. Start moving earth to rough grade immediately after confirmation, so ballast and track components can be delivered. You now install the structural tract. Spread ballast in lifts and compact each layer to achieve uniform density. Good compaction prevents settlement. Once ballast is stable, position sleepers perpendicular to the center line at the design spacing, using jigs or templates so gauge is exact. Next, lay rails onto sleepers. For long runs, use continuous welded rail or jointed rail with fish plates. Tack bolts and temporary clips keep alignment. Throughout this phase, constantly check level and gauge. Small errors compound quickly if you let them persist. Finish by fastening rails with appropriate clips, bolts, or anchors and torque them to spec. You must adjust lateral alignment and elevation to design geometry, while fasteners are still malleable. Once fastened, tamp ballast under sleepers and reprofile the shoulder so water drains away reliably. This locks geometry in. Then run slow test trains to verify behavior under load and perform geometric and ultrasonic rail inspections. If you see track movement or loose fasteners, stop and retamp or replace components immediately to prevent rapid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.